Zeks compressed air dryers in Georgia. Specialized air treatment for large compressed air systems. Compressed air includes moisture and other contaminants that must be removed to avoid damage to tools, instruments, and pneumatic valves. If not removed, these impurities can compromise critical finishing and manufacturing processes and cause production downtime and product waste. Zeks compressed air dryers in Georgia combine numerous air treatment components for the removal of oil, moisture, and other contaminants in large-capacity compressed air systems. Zeks established the thermal mass refrigerated dryer design and true cycling M operation to efficiently collect cold energy. This allows the refrigeration compressors to turn off during phases of reduced load while the dryer retains the ability to remove contaminants and moisture from the airstream. Zeks compressed air dryers in Georgia provide significant energy savings, as high as 80%. Remove the necessity for multiple dryers. Multiplexed M dryers are an assembly of several air treatment modules, and each has a stainless steel heat exchanger, a high-efficiency vortex separator, cycling refrigeration system, and no air loss drain. The modules are configured and integrated into 11 dryer models with capacities from 3,250 19,200 SCFM. This modular approach provides inherent redundancy of critical dryer components. The design of the Zeks compressed air dryers in Georgia enables users to maintain dryer operation even when one of the independent refrigeration systems is taken offline for maintenance or service. When sized correctly, the dryer outlet pressure dew point will not be affected if one module is de-energized. Reliable operation. Multiplexed M dryers are designed to endure extreme conditions that can exist in typical manufacturing facilities. To ensure long service life, the dryers include no air loss condensate drains, highly efficient thermal mass solution, generously sized refrigeration condensers, high quality, fully hermetic refrigerant compressors, coordinated digital dryer control. Since Zeks invented these dryers in 1959, none of their competitors have matched the superior reliability and performance. Operation of the Zeks compressed air dryers in GA have been proven to maintain dew point and reduce wear and tear on the dryer refrigeration systems. Consistent pressure dew point. Each air treatment module includes a pump that moves throughout the dryer for even distribution of the stored cold energy to all modules. Circulation is maintained even if the pump of a single module is disabled. Exclusive to Zeks. This active flow optimizes the efficiency of operation and helps maintain consistent pressure dew point throughout the full airflow range of the dryer. The standard for heat exchanger design. Zeks heat exchangers have been engineered exclusively for compressed air drying. The unique design features: very low pressure drop, Zeks exclusive 10-year warranty, greater fouling resistance, 100% stainless steel construction, 3-5 times more flow area, higher energy efficiency. Even well-maintained compressed air systems can contain corrosive impurities that are introduced at the air compressor intake. The corrosion resistance of CFX stainless steel heat exchangers addresses this threat, providing durability in environments where exchangers made of copper or other metals are not suitable. Expandable and versatile. All multiplexed M modules share a single inlet and a single outlet air header. This allows for connection to either side of the dryer to suit site conditions. In addition, the dryers are engineered to address the ever-changing manufacturing environment, because header centerline position is common among all models. A planned increase in air treatment capacity can be accommodated through the addition of modules. Convenient access for service. The design helps uninterrupted dryer operation by providing unobstructed access to serviceable parts. Each module includes an electrical disengage, which permits service on an individual module while the balance of the dryer remains energized. Critical components, such as refrigeration compressors and controls, condensate drains and fan motors, are located to facilitate maintenance and repairs, minimizing downtime. We are proud suppliers of Zeks compressed air dryers in Georgia. Want to know if they're right for your application? Contact us today to speak with one of our specialists.